They need to do something now and not wait till people are on the edge of losing their homes or whatever.
An edge Tammy Gross found herself on after receiving a letter from her insurance provider.
We got a letter in, I want to say February, saying that our insurance premiums would be going up.
She showed me documents showing her annual premium jumping from $8,414 to $12,688 annually, a nearly 51% increase that she says felt impossible to keep up with.
My husband's on Social Security. We can't really afford that, you know?
I met with the Louisiana Insurance Commissioner, Tim Temple, to find out what's driving the cost increase.
The current property crisis we're in with regards to homeowners and commercial property really started back in 2020 with Hurricane Laura, then Delta, then Zeta, then Ida.
Following the consecutive hurricanes, multiple insurance companies stopped offering coverage in the state, and with fewer insurers in Louisiana, Temple says remaining companies take on more risk and charge more for it, leaving policyholders with fewer options to shop around, giving companies more power to raise premiums.
I don't know if these insurance companies care about, you know, if you're going to lose your home because, you know, the premiums.
Tammy began the process of selling her home, but she was referred to a different agent who worked alongside her family to reduce premiums.
My husband found insurance. Luckily, one of his family members he told him about. We called them and they helped us out. They dropped out insurance premiums to half of what it was.
Currently in legislative session, Temple tells me he's backing legislation aimed at incentivizing insurance companies to do business in the state by giving insurers more flexibility to raise rates and drop risky policies. Do you believe that the legislation that you're backing would change her situation?
Yes, I mean, it is. Like I said, we passed major legislation in property to help improve the market. It is starting to work. Doesn't sound like it's working for, you know, this particular lady, but I remind, you know, your viewers all the time, when you get your renewal, if you don't like it, and a lot of people don't because it's very expensive, get your agent to shop your business.
I did shop around and I kept shopping around. That is the same reply every time. Because your roof's over 10 years old. Your roof's over 10 years old. We can't insure you. Then finally we found someone who was compassionate enough to help us.